This is the Copy Edit, where you learn to be your own awesome copywriter. It's the bite-sized alternative to taking a copywriting course for busy small business owners who don't really want to be copywriters. Hi, I'm Rikki The Canine Copywriter and founder of Underdogs Unleashed. I have helped hundreds of dog trainers and dog businesses with their marketing and their copywriting. And in this series of videos, I'm going to help you. I've shied away from teaching copywriting for good reason. I think as small business owners, most of you didn't really get into working with dogs because you wanted to be a marketer, you wanted to help dogs and people. So the likelihood is that you already feel like you're wearing enough hats, you've got enough to learn, and you don't really want to do any of this marketing jazz. The reality is, though, that you have to do marketing if you want to have a successful business, and you're already a copywriter, whether you know it, accept it, acknowledge it or not. Copywriting isn't sexy, but it's critical. You're using it everywhere already. If you write a social media post, you're copywriting. If you write an email, you're copywriting. If you put words on your website, you're copywriting. And there isn't really a right or a wrong way to do it. So this is a critic-free, shame-free way to learn how to make small tweaks that make a big difference to copy without getting you bogged down in any more rights and wrongs. We've all been conditioned since school, which is why so many people feel like that they can't write or they're not good writers, with so many rules and right ways to do things and wrong ways to do things. And I don't want to add to that, which is why I've not taught copywriting up till this point. I found when I was learning copywriting, I mean, I'm endlessly learning copywriting, we're always learning, but I found that actually the most helpful way to learn was from watching experienced copywriters do over-the-shoulder reviews of copy that was already written. So they made small tweaks and they explained those small tweaks and why they worked and why they were making them. And then I learned through osmosis, and I rinsed and repeated those things myself, and I practiced and I got better and better. And that's exactly what I'm going to deliver you with the Copy Edit. So positive dog buds in my community have submitted their own copy for me to review and share with you so that you can learn over the shoulder by watching. And you are free to send in your own copy reviews if you would like to. They will be shared on YouTube. And possibly elsewhere in my courses, on my blog, etc. So please only submit a review if you're happy with that. If you are and you're a positive, compassionate dog bod, that means that you don't use force, fear or intimidation with dogs, then just drop me an email at hello@thecaninecopywriter.co.uk and your copy could appear here. Please hit subscribe before you go so you don't miss any more copy reviews. Whether you want to submit your own or you'd rather learn from watching other people's, I'll be dropping new copy edits every week. And so please hit subscribe so you don't miss them. You can tap straight in. I've dropped all these videos in one easy to find playlist for you, so you can jump straight in and get learning so you can be your very own awesome copywriter. See you soon.